Hello, my name's Markham Phillips, and I'm Jamaican. At least my dad's side of the family is. Today I'm going to cook up a Jamaican classic. It's a traditional dish called jerk chicken. So this is a jerk marinade made of allspice, thyme, Scotch bonnet peppers, and a bit of nutmeg. So you only really need about a tablespoon of this per kilo of meat. But of course, depending on your taste, you can use more or less. A bit of pick a pepper sauce, which as I said is it's like an HP steak sauce or a Worcestershire sauce, but it's a bit thicker consistency, and it's aged in a rum barrel for a year. And so just kind of give a good splash of that. Then you want to put a good bit of lime juice, fresh squeeze of lime in there. And so you just want to really mix it all up, roll up all these seasonings and juices together. Really get it all under the skin, and it's about putting a little bit of love into whatever you're cooking. Take all that and put it into a snap-lock bag, plop it in the fridge, and then you've got jerk chicken tomorrow. Set that aside for now. You've already got some that's been marinating overnight that we'll throw on the barbecue now. It doesn't take a lot. You just basically want to get your barbecue up to a nice high heat. You can feel that by touch. And then you want to sort of brown the outside of it. And in this case we're using a whole chicken, so we've got wings, drumsticks, thighs, and a breast there. But you can use any of those, whatever you've got around. Squeeze some fresh lime onto it. Jerk chicken, rice and peas, and mango salsa.